Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing very well. So, in today's session, what we are going to start, you can see on the screen, we are going to start a new chapter. The name of this new chapter is the climate of our country. Okay, so different kinds of climate we can experience in our country, India. Okay, in this chapter, we are going to see about summer season, winter season, autumn season, spring season. Okay, so come with me and let's start the chapter. The climate of a country plays a major role in the life of the people. It determines the crops they grow, their lifestyle, food, and clothes. India is a large country. The land surface is not the same everywhere. There are different land forms such as hills, plateaus, plains, and mountain ranges. These landsforms affect the climate of our country. Therefore, our country has many climatic contrasts. Now you can see, my dear student, the climate of any country affect its life. Okay, means the person who live in that country, they all are affected by the climate. Okay, and their eating habit, their clothing habit, all depends upon the climate of their country. India is a large country. Okay, and here all the physical features means the land in the north is different from land in the south. Okay, that's why we can see that here we have different types of weather or season. So let's start. What is the difference between climate and weather? Okay, what is the difference between climate and weather? Let's see. A climate is an average weather condition of a place over a long period of time. It does not change. For example, desert have extreme climate, while the coastal areas have moderate climate. On the other hand, weather of a place refers to the condition of the atmosphere at a particular place at a particular time. For example, weather can be sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, etc. Weather keeps changing. So, my dear student, there is a difference between climate and weather. Climate is a long lasting process, okay, and weather is a short time process. Okay, you can see climate means climate didn't change frequently. It take long period of time to change. Okay, for example, desert, you can see the climate of desert area are hot. Okay, while the climate of coastal areas are moderate type. Okay, on the other hand, weathers are short span of time. Okay, weather may be sunny, you can see a sunny day, a rainy day. Okay, so there's a difference between climate and weather. Now we are going to see about seasons. Now, what is the meaning of seasons? Let's start. Seasons remind us that change is the law of nature. In general, our country experiences three main seasons: summer, monsoon, and winter. Two short seasons, spring and autumn, are also there, but for short time in comparison to the main season. See, seasons means what? Actually, season is a natural reminder. Okay, you can see, you can find reminder in your phones. Similarly, season. Okay, season is our natural reminder by our God. Okay, season reminds us that our country experiences different of climate. Like if I talk about our country, India, in India there are majorly three types of season: summer season, winter season, and rainy season. And apart from these three major seasons, we also have two short time, means two short minor seasons, like your spring season and autumn season. So now we are going to discuss all this season one by one. First and main season of our country, India, is summer season. Let's have a look. Summer season in India generally starts from March end and continues till June end. See, when summer season started in India, it starts from March end, okay, and it continues till June end. In the summer season, we experience warm weather condition throughout the country except in the hilly areas. Only, only if you left hilly areas, then all over part of the our country, India, experiences summer season. From March onward, the weather begins to get warmer. When the month of March starts, the climatic condition changed. Okay, we are going to experience. Okay, we feel summer. Since the days are longer and nights are shorter, more sunlight and warmth is received. In summer season, days are longer and winters are shorter. Okay, here we receive more sunlight and more warmth. This results in rising the temperatures, and due to this, you can see in many parts of India the temperatures are rise on extreme level. At many places, the temperatures rises above 45 degrees Celsius. Okay, in summer season, my dear students, you can see at some places of India, temperature rises till 45 to 50 degrees Celsius. Actually, 50 degrees is extreme condition. Okay, hot winds called Lu blow across the northern plain during the daytime. In summer season, we experience hot blowing winds. Okay, so this hot blowing winds have different names in different part of country. Okay, in India, specifically northern portion of India, those hot winds are named as Lu. The weather in the mountain remains cold. Okay, so hilly areas are not affected by summer season. They experience cold even in summer month. People visit hill stations to experience cool and pleasant weather. Now you can see during summer season, the number of tourists increased in hilly areas. Why? Because on hilly areas there is cold. Okay, so to protect themselves from heat, we usually visit hilly areas. Coastal areas have pleasant summer. Okay, now coastal areas, now the states and our islands, they experience pleasant summer. This is because the cool breeze from the sea keeps the weather cool. Some of the hottest places in India during summers are Barmer and Churu in Rajasthan. So, why coastal areas have experienced pleasant summer? Due to cool breezes. Because in coastal areas, the daytime is hotter, but during night time they feel cold. Okay. Similarly, in some part of India, which experience extreme summer time. Okay, like Barmer and Churu. Barmer and Churu experiences extreme level of temperature during the summer season. Although this season may be annoying, it is good for the crops as they ripen only in this season. There are a lot of options in this season to stay hydrated and beat the summer, such as watermelon, fruit juices, lassi, ice cream, lemon water, and more. The major Indian festivals celebrated in the summer season are Guru Purnima and Rath Yatra. Although we don't like summer seasons, we hate summer seasons. Okay, it may be annoying for us, but it is good for farming. Okay, because at this season, all fruits are ripen up. Okay, we have lot of options. We got a lot of options during summertime to keep ourselves hydrated, like watermelon, muskmelon. Okay, juices, fruit juices, lassi, ice cream, lemon water, coconut water, etc. And during summer time, major Indian festivals are celebrated like your Guru Purnima and Rath Yatra, the famous Jagannath Puri Rath Yatra. Here you can see, my dear student, this is your summer beaches, Lu, Rath Yatra. Now, after summer season, we are going to discuss about monsoon season. So let's have a look here. Monsoon. Monsoon or the rainy season lasts from June to August. By the beginning of June, the Malabar coast of Kerala start getting the first showers of the rain. Now the monsoon season or the rainy season starts from June and ends in August. Okay, so the first state of India which receives monsoon season is Kerala. The monsoon winds gather moisture from the Arabian Sea as well as Bay of Bengal. So the winds which blow through this entire monsoonal season, they collect their moisture from Arabian Sea as well as from Bay of Bengal. These winds causes heavy rainfall all over India during the month of June, July and August. So these monsoonal winds collect moisture from Arabian Sea as well as Bay of Bengal. That's why India country receives heavy rainfall in the month of June, July and August. The monsoon winds carrying moisture travel from south to north, giving rainfall along the way. So the monsoon winds which carry the moisture, they cover a very long distance from south to north. Agriculture in India is largely dependent on monsoon as rain helps in irrigation. So, as you know, our country India is mainly agriculture based economy. That's why monsoon seasons are very helpful for farmers, okay? Because our economy is totally based upon what type of monsoon we receive in a year. Sometimes excessive rain leads to flood, while lack of rainfall causes drought. Suppose sometime India country receives a heavy amount of rainfall, which ultimately resulted in floods, and sometime India receives less rainfall, which give us result of drought. Mesendram in Meghalaya gets the highest rainfall in the world. Mesendram, it is a city located in Meghalaya. It receives the highest amount of rainfall not only in India, throughout the world. As compared to the summer season, the days are shorter and nights are longer in this season. Like, days are longer and nights are shorter in summer season, but the scenario is changed in monsoonal season. Here, the days are short and nights are long. The average temperature remains around 34 degrees centigrade. Now, the average temperature of monsoonal season in our country, India, is 34 degrees centigrade. It is sometimes called green season by the officials of the tourism sector. That's why monsoon season is called as a green season. Okay, here, my dear students, you can see this is the map of India showing the annual rainfall of India. Okay, so here you can see there are some places indicated in red color, like your Meghalaya. Okay, so the places which is marked by a red color, it receives the rainfall between 800 to 1000 mm. Okay, so after monsoon season, see, the earth is captured with greenery, birds sings melodious, and level of water rises in the river. Now, my dear students, here you can see the earth during the monsoon season. The earth is captured with greenery. Everywhere we can see greenery and only greenery. During monsoon season, the level of water in the oceans and in the seas risen up. Okay, the sky is filled with black clouds before it rains, and rainbow can be seen in the sky after the rainfall stops. Now you can see during the monsoon season, the clouds are covered with, means the sky is covered with black clouds. Okay, and we can see rainbow. The important festivals that are celebrated in this season are Onam, Krishna Janmashtami, and Raksha Bandhan. Onam, Krishna Janmashtami, and Raksha Bandhan, these are the important festivals celebrated during the time of monsoonal season. After monsoon season, weather become pleasant. After when monsoon season go, we people of India feel neither too hot, neither too cold. So that period is called as autumn season. Okay, the season of autumn comes in the month of September and October. The hot and humid weather starts disappearing and leaves start falling off the tree in this season. So it is also known as fall season. See, autumn season, when we experience autumn season during the month of September and October. During the month of September and October, hot and humid weather starts decreasing. Okay, and at this time we can also see the trees started showering their leaves. Okay, now on the place of old leaves, new leaves are blooming. Okay, here you can see this is the beautiful autumn season. Okay, the sky becomes clearer as compared to the monsoon season, and clear moon can be seen in the sky along with the countless stars that look like pearls scattered in the sky. When monsoon season goes, then we can find a clear sky having a lots of stars. The water of the river and ponds settle down and become clean, and there is no mud in the villages. When monsoon season end, okay, so the rivers and pond water, okay, so the river water and pond water become clean because all the muds are deposited. The streets become clean. The insect and mites gradually starts disappearing with the arrival of autumn. You know what? Monsoon season not only bring rainfall, it also bring dangerous insects and mites with them. Okay, so when monsoon season ends, the danger of these insects and mites are gradually disappeared. It starts after the monsoon or rainy season and lasts till the start of the winter season. So autumn season starts when monsoon season or rainy season end and it lasts till the starting of winter season. The average temperature in this season remains around 33 degrees centigrade. The length of the day and night is almost equal in autumn. Now, my dear students, here you can see in summer season, okay, days are longer and nights are shorter, okay, and in monsoon season, days are comparatively shorter in comparison of summer season and nights are little bit longer. But in autumn season, day and night are almost equal. Equinoxes also occurs in this season. So in this season, equinoxes are also occur. It is an event in which Earth axis is tilted in a way that is neither inclined towards nor away from the sun. That's why, okay, due to equinox, that's why all our country India, the length of day and night is almost equal. After autumn season, we get a new season named as winter season. See, the winter season starts from the November and continues till February. When winter season starts in India, it starts in the month of November and ends in the month of February. During winter, the days are shorter and nights are longer. Okay, and in a winter month, days are very short. Okay, and nights are longer. The mountain receives heavy snowfall and North India experiences cold waves as cold water, cold winds blow from the mountain to the plain during winter season. Okay, the hilly areas means the mountainous areas of our India receives heavy snowfall. That's why the people who lives in northern plain experiences extreme winter season. In plains, people experiences fog and frost. Okay, in North India, people experiences condition of fog and frost. In South India, the winter season is quite mild. But you know what? In one hand, the people of North India, okay, the people of North India shaking with winter, but the people of South India, they experience very less amount of winter season. The weather is cool and pleasant there due to the warm breezes from the sea. Dras in western Ladakh is the coldest place in India. Now, what is the hottest place of India? These are Barmer and Churu. On the other hand, Dras, it is located in Ladakh. Okay, it is the coldest place of India. It is the coldest season of the year with an average temperature of around 20 degrees centigrade and the weather is affected by air pressure. So winter season is the coldest season and in winter season we experience 20 degrees centigrade till maybe sometimes 0 degree centigrade or 1 degree centigrade. An area of high pressure develops in the northern region of the Himalaya that causes the flow of wind from this region towards the Indian subcontinent. Now, why we see cold winds? Because a high pressure, okay, a high pressure develops in at the top of the Himalayas. Okay, in some region temperature falls below 0 degrees centigrade. So snowfall is also very common in most of the hill stations in India. In this season, Dras in western Ladakh is the coldest place in India. Okay, in some region of India during winter season, okay, some places experiences 0 degree temperature. That's why, okay, that's why snowfall started here. Okay, so this is your winter season. This is your Dras. Dras, a place located in Ladakh. It is the coldest place of India, and the Lohri festival. Now, the Kharif crop ripen in this season. A large variety of fruits, flowers, and green vegetables are available in abundance in this season. Now, Kharif season started ripening in this season. We have a lot of option of green vegetables, a lot of availability of fruits. Besides this, winter season in India starts with the winter solstice. It is a geographical event in which the sun is at highest summit in the sky. The major Hindu festivals celebrated in winter season includes Shivratri, Lohri and Pongal. In winter season in India, we feel winter solstice. Now, what is the meaning of winter solstice? It is a geographical, actually, it is a geographical event. In winter solstice, sun, okay, in winter solstice, sun comes at the highest summit in the sky. And during winter season, majority of main Hindu festivals are celebrated like Shivratri, Lohri and Pongal. When winter season ends, we experience another season, a short time of this season is called spring season. Now, what is the meaning of spring season? Let's have a look. The spring season in India is a season of 2 month duration, which are February end to April end. It is a pleasant and beautiful season with an average temperature of 32 degrees centigrade. It starts after the winter and lasts till summer starts. The days become longer and nights become shorter in this season. As you can see, autumn season we experience when monsoon goes and winters come. September and October. Similarly, when winters are ending and summers are coming, so between this, we experience autumn, we experience spring season. Spring season starts in the end of the April month and it ends in the end of spring month. Okay, spring month starts in the end of February month and spring season ends in the end of April month. It is a very beautiful season and usually there are the 32 degrees centigrade temperature. Okay, and here now days are becoming longer and short nights are becoming shorter. People come out of the blankets and woolen clothes and start wearing light clothes. Now people kept their woolen clothes and now they start wearing cotton light clothes. They are filled with excitement and happiness. Now people are relieved because winter seasons are gone. The trees shed their leaves, new leaves start appearing. Again in spring season, trees started shedding their leaves, and new leaves are blooming on those older leaves place. This season is also called flowering season or blossom season. So the spring month is also called as flowering season or blossom season. Birds and animals also love this season and are happy. Birds and animals also love this season and also they are very happy. Bird chirp and sing. Now birds started singing. Butterflies hover over the flowers. You can see butterflies are hovering over the flowers. There is a greenery all around. And during the month of spring season, there is a greenery all around. Besides this, many famous Hindu festivals are celebrated in this season. Okay, like winter season, during spring season, also many Hindu festivals are celebrated like Holi, Vasant Panchami, Gudi Padwa, Baisakhi, Hanuman Jayanti, and many more. So, Gudi Padwa is a festival celebrated by Maharashtrian people. Baisakhi is a festival celebrated by Punjabi people. Okay, so you can see here, my dear students, this is the spring season, a very beautiful spring season, celebration of Holi, and this is your Baisakhi. So this is all about this chapter. Now go thoroughly through this chapter and complete the exercise based on this chapter. I'm going to meet with you all in my next session with a new chapter. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye.